Hi everyone, I will introduce myself. I am Sahira P. Hasim from BS Ed 2 major in English. So let me just share to you about the assigned topic given to me. So it is entitled Media and Information Literacy. Let's start. What is media information literacy? So what is media information literacy? Now, when we heard MIL, or it stands for Media and Information Literacy. Now, media and information literacy is a combination of knowledge, attitudes, skills, and practices required to access, analyze, evaluate, use, produce, and communicate information and knowledge in creative, legal, and ethical ways that respect human rights. That is according to the Moscow Declaration on Media and Information Literacy in 2012. Important because as the world evolves, technology advances, right? Which makes us the need to integrate MIL, but in order for us to learn, we must obtain or possess enough knowledge about it, skills, and attitude. So, because MIL involves the combinations of knowledge, skills, and attitudes, and with that, we must practice it so that we can access, analyze, evaluate, use, produce, and communicate information in a creative, legal, and ethical ways that will respect every human rights and avoid conflicts within the society. So in addition to that, the UNESCO stands for United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization. So they define it as the set of competencies to search, critical, evaluate, use, and contribute information and media content wisely. The knowledge of one's right online, refraining from cyberbullying, understanding related ethical issues, and engaging with media and ICTs to promote equality, free expression, intercultural or interreligious dialogue, peace, and etc. It is according to UNESCO 2016. Now, according to UNESCO's 2011 Media and Information Literacy Curriculum delves on accessing information effectively and efficiently as an aspect put into practice. Now, there are 7 dimensions of media information literacy. Again, 7 dimensions. According to Shapiro and Hughes, 1996, identified the 7 dimensions of media and information literacy. So they are the ones who identified the 7 dimensions. First is the tool literacy. This is the ability to understand and use practical and conceptual tools of current information technology, including software, hardware, and multimedia that are relevant to education and the areas of work and professional life. Second dimension is resource literacy. So this is the ability to understand the form, format, location, and access methods of information resources. Now the third dimensions of MIL is the social structure literacy. So this is knowing how information is socially situated and produced fits into the life of groups about the institutions and social networks. And the fourth dimension is called research literacy. So it is the ability to understand and use information technology-based tools relevant to the work of researchers and scholars that include computer software for quantitative analysis, qualitative analysis, and simulation. Now, the fifth dimension is called the publishing literacy. So it is the ability to format and publish research and ideas electronically in textual and multimedia forms. Now, the sixth dimension is called emerging technology literacy. So it is the ability to adapt, to understand, evaluate, and use emerging innovations in information technology. And for the last is critical literacy. It is the ability to evaluate critically the intellectual and human social strengths and weaknesses, potentials and limits, benefits and costs of information technologies. I guess that's all for our discussion about what is media and information literacy. So I hope that you have learned what is media and information literacy and the aspects of media and information literacy, and also don't forget the 7 dimensions of media and information literacy. I hope that you have learned throughout my discussions about it. Thank you for listening, and God bless.